Good morning, children. Welcome to our new chemistry class. Today, let us discuss about chapter 2, Is Matter Around Us Pure? See, children, when we are looking around us, we can see almost all substances exist in the form of mixtures. Types of mixtures. Depending upon the nature of component, we have many types of mixtures are there. Solution, suspension, colloidal solution. Let's see what will be the difference between solution, suspension and colloidal solution. We have a good experiment here and we can see the experiment from the video.
Solutions are homogeneous mixtures. Solutions are maybe solids dissolved in liquids or gases dissolved in liquids. The example of solid dissolved in liquid is sugar mixed with water produce water with sugar solution. And the example of gas dissolved in liquid is carbon dioxide combined with water yield carbonated soft drinks. Those are the examples of solution.
Now, let us see what is solution in detail. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. The component present in larger amount is called the solvent, and the component usually present in lesser amount or lesser quantity is called the solute particle. Some examples are here for solution: sugar and water, iodine in alcohol, soda water, air. See, you can see in bracket sugar and water is an example for solid in liquid. That means sugar is solid, water is liquid. Sugar is solute component, water is solvent component. In another example, iodine in alcohol, iodine is solute component, alcohol is solvent component. This also an example for solid in liquid. In soda water, the gas in liquid is an example for gas in liquid. So here the carbon dioxide gas is here in soda water. So that carbon dioxide gas is an example for solute component, gas solute component, and water is an liquid solvent component. Okay. Then air is a mixture of gas in gas or solution of gas in gas. Here gas component is, many gas components are there in air. So gas components are dissolved in gas solvent. Now we can see properties of a solution. First property, a solution is a homogeneous mixture. This is the first property of a solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. Second property is the particles of a solution are smaller than 1 nanometer. We cannot see the particles with our naked eyes. So that is the second property of a solution. And third one, because of very small particle size, they do not scatter a beam of light passing through the solution. So the path of light is not visible in a solution. Because of very small particle size, they do not scatter a beam of light passing through the solution. So the path of light is not visible in a solution. That is the third property. And last one, the solute particles cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. Why? Their particle sizes is very small. Children, let's go through concentration of solution. What is concentration of solution? We can make up a solution in different proportion of solute and solvent. On the basis of concentration of solution, we can divide the solution as saturated solution and unsaturated solution. What is saturated solution? When a solute component dissolve in a solution, there are no more solute can be dissolved in a solution at a given temperature. What is unsaturated solution? If the amount of solute contained in a solution is less than the saturation level, it is called an unsaturated solution. And the amount of the solute present in the saturated solution at this temperature is called its solubility.
Solutions like sugar in water has two components. The two components of solutions are solute and solvent. Solute is a substance that dissolves in solution. It is usually present in small amounts. In this mixture, the solute is sugar because sugar dissolves in solution and is usually present in small amounts. Now, let's talk about the solvent. Solvent is a substance that dissolves a solute. It is usually present in greater amount. The solvent in this solution is water because water dissolves sugar and is usually present in greater amounts. Between solute and solvent, we will focus on the solute. The ability of solute to dissolve in solvent is what we call solubility. Solubility is a maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a given amount of solvent at a certain temperature. The amount of dissolved solute produces three types of solutions. Here's an experiment about the three types of solutions based on the amount of dissolved solute in solvent. Unsaturated solution is a solution that contains less solute than the maximum amount the solvent can dissolve at a given temperature. Its color is lighter than saturated and supersaturated solutions. Saturated solutions is a solution that contains the maximum amount of solute dissolved by a given amount of solvent. The color of saturated solution is intermediate between unsaturated and supersaturated solutions. Supersaturated solution is a solution that contains more solute than the maximum amount the solvent can dissolve at a given temperature. Its color is darker than unsaturated and saturated solutions. It has an excess solute or sugar which can no longer dissolve. Let us sum up. The three types of solutions are unsaturated, saturated, and supersaturated solutions.
Now, we have a way to express the concentration of a solution. There are two ways are here. First method is mass by mass percentage of a solution, and second method is mass by volume percentage of solution. So there are two methods are using to express the concentration of solution. Mass by mass percentage of solution, that is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Mass by volume percentage of solution equal to mass of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Children, today we learned types of mixtures, solution, suspension, colloid, solution and its properties, saturated solution, solubility, unsaturated solution, concentration of solution and its equation. Now it's time to wind up our class today. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you next time. Bye bye.